Bitcoin has crawled back above the 20,000 level. I think currently it is at 21,062 according to CoinDesk. That may not be accurate, but given that move, shares of crypto mining platforms, Mara, that is Marathon, Microvision, Riot, Blockchain, Hot 8, Call Scientific, have all been gaining as a result of that. So let's have a look and see what's going on with them. So first of all, we have Marathon. It is up 8.82 in this pre-market session of the 9th of September. And the sort of projections we have for Marathon. Well, before we go there, let's get the general news for all of these stocks. You can see MicroStrategy, is it? Okay, yes, yes, that's it. Says MicroStrategy and other cryptocurrency related stocks rallied ahead of the opening bell on Friday, that's today, as Bitcoin rose above $21,000 mark. Okay, Bitcoin up 10%, MicroStrategy up 9.3%, Marathon. Okay, we have a look at them. So it's just validating what we said earlier on. So let's get to the chart and see what's going on. Okay, Marathon is up 9.2%. So let's quickly have a look at the what's going on there on the market depth and see what the other books are saying. Okay, we have yes, there is some aggression there. You can see that most of the prices are going in at the current 14.45, so definitely market participants are quite aggressive. You can see so far 1 2 3 4 so far on this list, the majority of the orders are going through at 14.45. So some aggression there. Let's return and see what the projection we have for Marathon is. Yes, we have a move towards 18.93. We have a move towards 18.93, our projection, a move towards 18.93, 21.35, 23.31, and all the way up to 27.70. There's no guarantee that's going to happen today. Okay, so let's return and have a look at and see what's going on with MVIS. Microvision is up 1.74, not a huge lot. Okay, let's see what's going on with Microvision, and let's see what the projection is. What our projections are on this Microvision. So we have a projection towards 4.76, 4.96, 5.12, 5.28, 5.48, 5.81. That's there's no guarantee all of that will happen for Microvision, sorry. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, before we do so, let's see what's going on the order book for Microvision rather. 4.42. I think it's by far less. You can see, yes, you can see it has only gained 1.74%. In other words, it's an indication that I think one of the reasons why it's just at that sort of gain 1.74 is there isn't as much aggression. You can see the varying prices, pretty much so. I think so. We can see prices that are above the current price of 4.395. You can see how we can only see only one at that sort of level, 1.395, even on here as well. Okay, rather let's concentrate on this side. So yes, there isn't as much aggression, hence the reason for this low gain we're seeing. If they begin to get aggressive, the price might begin to move. It's pretty much stable here now, so it's accommodating a lot of a broad spectrum of orders. So let's look at RIOT. RIOT blockchain is up 8.98%. What our projection is 11.56. Okay, let's have a look at the 1 minute chart for RIOT blockchain. Okay, you can see that This is what went on, what's going on right now in this pre-market. So let's return to the daily chart and read out the projections we have there. We have a move projection to 11.56, 13.73, 15.48. There's no guarantee all of those targets will be met. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Let's see how aggressive things are. I think yeah, it is okay. Not as aggressive, so not as aggressive. We can even see orders going through for higher prices, 18.16, 18 point, even lower prices as well. A decent number of prices above, pretty much decent. I think they are much more coming in at what it is like, but it doesn't seem to be as it doesn't seem to be as aggressive as we have seen other markets. So okay, yeah. So in other words, there's an implication that if they even get more aggressive, we're going to see a bigger move for RIOT blockchain. Okay, so yeah, I mean you can see what's going on here. 18.8.12. Okay, yes, we have that. That's the current price right now. Anything has come into okay, 18.12 gradually coming in at these are likely to be market orders. This one is 8.12 and this other one. Okay, so far, yeah, but it's before now it wasn't as aggressive, but so far, okay, yes, they are coming through gradually, but it isn't a huge lot going in there. But yes, I think so. To some extent, it's not as aggressive, but it is looking like there is some aggression there, you know. Okay, so yeah, it has a potential to spike further, I think so, you know. So okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one is Hot 8 is up 8.1%. Let's look at the 1 minute chart and see what's going on there. Like pretty much the same thing. And let's get to the daily chart and get our projections for Hot 8. It's our next target is our next projection is 3.24, 3.82, 4.29, 4.75. There's no guarantee all of those will be met. And let's look at the market depth and see what's going on there. Current price is 2.27. Yes, here it's very aggressive. Here you can see all the orders, nearly all the orders are pretty much the same thing. They are likely to have been the prevailing price. These orders may have been accepted at the market order type. You can see all of them are pretty much the same thing, you know. So there is some aggression there for Hot 8, you know. And with such an aggression, you can see I know 8%, 8.1% is not a huge lot, but if he went for this sort of aggression, we'll be seeing the sort of thing we saw for MVIS, you know, around lower figures as it concerns the sort of gain it would have run up. So let's look at the next one. The next one is CORZ Scientific Inc. up 9.18. Let's look at the 1 minute chart for CORZ Scientific. You can see it's pretty much the same picture. RSI, momentum 14 period slow stochastic oscillator is indicating the stock is totally overbought. It's been dwelling there for some minutes now. RSI is indeed just funny enough is just slightly hovering above 50 at 55, so indicating that buyers are in there as well. Sorry, sellers are in there as well. So let's see whether that correlates to what's the market depth is indicating. Okay, yes, 2.26, 2.559. Okay, let's see. The current price is at 2.26. Okay. Well, we can't see any correlation from that RSI and the order book because we can't see these. We can't exactly say whether these are buy or sell orders. But in any case, what we are definitely seeing here is that there is a decent, is it decent enough? Well, a good number of them are entering when entered at pretty much the same price, and I want to believe that most of them may have been buy orders. So, well, given that sort of gain 9.18, yes, you should expect that a lot of these prices will be pretty much the same sort of the same sort of about the same thing, and that's what we're looking at here for core scientific. Yes, a decent amount of aggression here for core scientific. Other factors may also be the amount of shares available so far. So yes, Bitcoin has crawled all the way back above 20,000. Let's get that again. Let's get the current price again from CoinDesk. Is at 21,052.71. Okay, that's what's going on right now in this pre-market session, and all of these stocks have just inched up close to 10, have all inched up gains up close to 10%, apart from Microvision. Okay, so see what you make of all of these. Okay, let's see what we have. Projections for CORZ. That's CORZ Scientific. Let's get them. Projection is next one is 3.89. Next one after that is 4.9. After that is 5.71. There's as usual, there's no guarantee all of these will be met. Alright, okay, thank you very much for watching this video.